Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you our new Google Chrome extension for your GoHighLevel accounts. Okay, so this extension actually allows you to get access into your GoHighLevel page editor for a specific page very quickly within a one click. Okay, so if you are one who you're just managing multiple different sub accounts for your clients, or if you are an GoHighLevel agency owners who have many different sub accounts and need to update pages and need to get access very quickly into your page editor, then this Google Chrome extension will help you a lot. Okay, so it will save you a lot of time, because if you have multiple different GoHighLevel sub accounts and have many different funnels, then you may just need some extra time to find out which funnel and which sub accounts you need to access. Okay, so this will actually this extension will help you to reduce a lot of times. Okay, so by using this extension you can access to your page editor directly from the page. Okay, so let's say for example, I'm here on a GoHighLevel page and I want to get access to the page editor. So what I need to do, I first of all, after login into the GoHighLevel dashboard, then I need to switch to the sub account where this funnel is already built, and then from there we need to go to the funnel section, and then we need to find the funnel step to get access the page editor. Okay, so this is actually a bit time consuming, and if you have a multiple different sub accounts, then sometimes you may get stuck to know exactly where you built this page. Okay, so this can be happen. Okay, so for me, when we are making all different code snippets, and we need to just create the preview page for each of the code snippets. So that's why we build a lot of different funnel and pages inside our GoHighLevel account. So when we need to get access to any specific page or the funnel, then it's a bit time consuming for us. Okay, that's why we built this Google Chrome extension. So let me show you how it actually works. Okay, so for example, let me open a page. Okay, so let's say I open this page and I want to get access to the page editor for this page. Okay, so what I need to do now, all I just need to click this Google Chrome extension and then click edit content. It will directly take you to the GoHighLevel page editor for the page I just selected. Okay, so that's super easy to get access to your page editor, right? So you can see here the page is loaded and it's opened inside the editor. Okay, that's it. So within a one click I can access to the page editor directly from the page, instead of going to the GoHighLevel dashboard, find the funnel step and anything else. Okay, so it also have some other options, like you can get access to your GoHighLevel location dashboard, as well as we have some quick access links, like if you want to access to the contact section, okay, or the opportunities, funnels, courses, websites, automation and domain, you can just access there within one click. Let's say for example, if you want to access to the website section of my GoHighLevel account, then all I just need to click here and it will directly take me to the website section. Okay, it's loading. Let me show it. Where is it? So now I just landed on the website section directly from the page where I was. Okay, so but normally when I just log into the GoHighLevel, okay, like this, into the dashboard, and then need to go to the sites, and then need to go to the website section, and from there we need to get access to the page which actually we want to edit. Okay, so this is how it actually save a lot of time. And also we have some other options, like you can access to the information of the page, like the page ID or the location ID. Okay, you can see the exact page name. Okay, so this will also helpful, and the type of page. Okay, so it can be the funnel page or it can be the website. And also we have another option to set your GoHighLevel custom white label domain here. So if you are not using the default GoHighLevel domain for your page editors or the dashboard link, okay, then you can set your agency white label domain here. Okay, so once you select that, okay, once you add that, all you just need to click the editor and it will open into your custom domain. Okay, so this is how it actually works. Okay, so I think this will be helpful for a lot of users who are actually especially managing different sub accounts for their clients. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you find this helpful or if you have any other questions, then feel free to write into the comment section. Okay, we are here to answer them, and that's it. Okay, so thanks a lot. Have a nice day.